Hey, do-it-yourselfer, it's Bob here. Today I'm going to be installing some Buzz Overland steps/rock sliders. So I just wanted to get a little before and after. As you can see, I got the nice red frame. Hopefully it won't be hidden too much, but really want the steps. That's the main reason why I decided to go the route of the Buzz Overland gear. So first up, clean off the underneath there. Clean out the threads. Ryan from Buzz Overland has a really good video on doing the install. I'm not going to get into all the nuts and bolts of it, but I'll get this cleaned up, clean out the threads, and get some help mounting the sliders. Be right back. Okay, it's been a few weeks since I installed the Buzz Overland StepSliders. I guess the Canadian winter just doesn't want to give up to spring. But anyways, really good install. They you can see how well the gaps are and stuff, and you know, you can still see some of the red frame, which I'm really happy about, but they look really good. Very functional, of course. That's one of the main things I wanted. So whoops, there we go. So yeah, really well designed and built. You can see how good they are, how well engineered they are, and close to the body frame. Got the high lift jack points there. Really well done. And they look really good. I mean, they do stick out a little, but that's a positive in my opinion. When people decide they want to open their doors and whack the side of my truck, they'll be in for a nasty surprise. But I mean, they're not too far out from the wheels themselves. But you know, you get both step and slider. The main reason I wanted to get them was for the step capability. And I'm sure my wife will agree on that. Let's look at the other side here. To be able to get in and out easier. They are a little bit pricey, but in my opinion, if they last the life of the truck, I'll be super happy. They're fully functional, heavy duty, so I really appreciate that. And as you can see, they're nice and close to the body line. They still show off some of the red frame underneath there, and fully functional. So thank you, Buzz Overland. I really like these. Hopefully they'll be good and functional for many years to come. And we'll see what I can throw at the truck next. Hope this helps. Bye.